Happy New Year, traders, and welcome to 2025. I remain your Coach Sam. Yeah, this is the first time I'm making an official appearance in the year 2025. How has your 2024 been as a trader? Yeah, I hope it was fine. How has it went well as well? Right, so I know some of us might want to, we're in the hurry to go back into trading as per the money we have spent for 30 December and Ogli. Before it used to be just 30 December. Now we have Ogli that's joined now. So now Olabo has made you dry. And you want to get back to the chat and make this money back. And even though we triple it, depending on your capacity to make money, right? But just before then, you need to understand that there are some mistakes you make as a trader in year 2024. And if you don't want it to continue, you need to deal with those things. Now, anything you don't deal with, we deal with this year. Yes, it's not impossible. It's just my own advice. So ensure you look back into 2024, see how you got it wrong, what went missing, what is missing in your trading journey, and try to piece the puzzles together, figure it out. Then you cannot start your year 2025. So that's what I have for you. And also 1 minute silence for the accounts that were below last year. I mean, a lot of accounts did survive last year, and we were not able to do Happy New Year with us. So they were killed by the popular financial market assassins like FOMC, NFP, General Speech, CPI, and the ones that they were killed by you yourself. Yes, you yourself, by your greed. Yes. These are the accounts that they entrusted their lives into your hands. And you're not allowed to see 2025. No problem. So kindly go to the comment section, put it there. If you were the one that killed your account or blew the account, just put it there. Nami Joab, Nami Rona, Nami. So, but if it was doing NFP, CPI, or any other news, ensure you put it there too. Go to our comment section and put it there. So, I'm going to be sharing my own experience in 2024 as a trader. So, how 2024 was for me as a trader, and I want you to do the same. By doing that will help us to, we appreciate your feedback, your comments, so that will enable us to know what your pain points are. So that will enable us to know the area to work on, so as to give you the best. Right? You help me, I help you. That is how it works. That is what makes us a community, right? You help me, I help you. You scratch my back, I scratch your back. So that is just it, basically. That is just it, basically. So thank you for being with us. Thank you. We want to appreciate your followership throughout the year 2024. So we hope that this year 2025 we will make it together. Till I come your way next time. See you. And ensure you follow us on our social media platforms. Ensure you do all of those things. Thank you.